Hi children, here I am starting English revision ma. Once I will say how to read these question answers and whatever grammar part I have given you in these Romans. Okay, in this video I would like to explain 1 to 4 Romans. So all of you revise thoroughly and learn how to read, then continue for reading. Okay Nana? First Roman, answer the following questions. First question here I have given. Who appeared in the dark room one day? A stranger appeared in the dark room one day. Okay children, only once I am saying. If you want to listen again, please go backward and listen. Okay Nana? Because it takes much GB for you and for me also. So I am concluding, just I am reading as one time. So go for that. Second question. What did the stranger grant the king? The stranger granted the king the golden touch. Third question. What did the peddler do for a living? The peddler went from one place to another selling things. Fourth question. What stopped him from doing what he meant to do? The brown bird, the rainbow, the butterfly, and the leaves all stopped him from doing his work that day. Who was sent finally to bring back the sun? Say why. The hare was finally sent to bring back the sun. He was sent because he was the fastest runner amongst them all. Sixth question. Describe the man cub. The man cub was a brown naked baby who has just learned to walk. Seventh question. Is the poet a grown-up or a child? The speaker is a child. Children, here you can write as the poet is a child also, not a problem. Okay. What were Jeet and Rakesh discussing? Jeet and Rakesh were talking about their EVS project. Ninth question. When does the train require no pulling? When the train goes down, it requires no pulling. 10th question. What did Meena do to rescue Max? Meena climbed up the pile of books to rescue Max. 11th question. What kind of friends are good books? Good books are true friends. 12th question. What was Raja's hobby? Raja's hobby was collecting useful things which fit into his trouser pockets. 13th question. What did Miss Maya teach in the playground? Miss Maya showed them how to play hopscotch on the pavement. Second Roman, meanings. Miserable, unhappy. Miserable, unhappy. Strange, odd. Strange, odd. Flitted, flew away. Flitted, flew away. Raven, a large crow. Raven, a large crow. Cavern, a large cave. Cavern, a large cave. Naked, not wearing clothes. Naked, not wearing clothes. Journey, a long trip. Journey, a long trip. Capes, cloaks. Capes, cloaks. Sailboat, a small boat with sails. A small boat with sails. Swept, pushed with force. Swept, pushed with force. Arboreal, living in trees. Arboreal, living in trees. Thoroughly, completely. Thoroughly, completely. Pebble, small smooth stone. Pebble, small smooth stone. Sniffed, smelt. Sniffed, smelt. Trousers, pants. Trousers, pants. Third Roman, opposites. We can call them as antonyms also. Okay. Opposites or antonyms. First one, bright, dull. Bright, dull. Difficult, easy. Difficult, easy. Quiet, noisy. Quiet, noisy. Tidy, untidy. Tidy, untidy. Wide, narrow. Wide, narrow. Rich, poor. Rich, poor. Satisfied, dissatisfied. Satisfied, dissatisfied. Appeared, disappeared. Appeared, disappeared. Wise, fool. Wise, fool. Original, duplicate. Original, duplicate. Happy, unhappy. Happy, unhappy. Never, always. Never, always. Tall, short. Tall, short. Hard, soft. Hard, soft. Everything, nothing. Everything, nothing. Plurals. Plural means we write one for many words now, one and many, that we call as plurals. Okay. Coin, coins. Coin, coins. Garden, gardens. Garden, gardens. Statue, statues. Statue, statues. Dream, dreams. Dream, dreams. Ear, ears. Ear, ears. Thing, things. Thing, things. Watch, watches. Watch, watches. Brush, brushes. Brush, brushes. Bunch, bunches. Bunch, bunches. Bus, buses. Bus, buses. Church, churches. Church, churches. Class, classes. Class, classes. Glass, glasses. Glass, glasses. Dress, dresses. Dress, dresses. Fox, foxes. Fox, foxes. Okay children, here up to 1 to 4 Romans I have given to you. Next still 5 to 9 Romans are there. In the next class I will explain, but of course I am providing entire PDF file for you, but revise only these 4 Romans for today. Okay Nana? Listen well once again. Listen to this pronunciation. If you don't know at which word, if you don't know any word, if you are unable to pronounce, go back to the video and listen again. Okay children, study well. Thank you.